Hello guys and welcome back to another video on Tutorial Guru. Today we're going to be teaching you how you can temporarily deactivate your Facebook account. But before getting started, remember to support our channel by clicking on the like button, subscribing and turning on your notification bells. Without further ado, let's get started. First, go ahead and open Facebook app on your mobile. Now on the top right corner of your screen, you'll be able to see the hamburger menu or the three-barred icon. Simply tap on it. Under this section, you'll be able to see the gear icon, which is settings and privacy on Facebook. Now go ahead to Account Center. Under Account Center, scroll down and tap on Personal Details. Under Personal Details, tap on Account Ownership and Control. You'll be able to see the option of deactivation or deletion. Tap on it. Select the account that you'd like to deactivate. You'll be able to see the option of Deactivate Account. Simply tap on Continue. Tap on Continue again. Now you'll have to enter your password to successfully deactivate your account. After that, you'll be asked to select the reason why you're deactivating your Facebook account. Go ahead and tap on any of these options that relate to you. Now tap on Continue. Now this account will be deactivated until you log in next time. So to reactivate your account, you simply have to log in, enter your phone number or your email with which you've registered your account and enter your password, which will lead to reactivating your account. As easy as that. After understanding this, you can simply tap on the Continue button that appears at the bottom of the page, and this is how you can temporarily deactivate your Facebook account. I hope this video was useful. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments down below, and thanks for watching.